So I'm Mike. You are?
Mark.
Mark. Nice to meet you, Mark. So tell me about your car. You've had it about a year.
Yes.
And this is the... It's
1957 Bel Air two-door hardtop.
Uh-huh.
And I got it from a guy that had it for about 35 years.
Mm-hmm. And it's a beautiful paint job on it, and it has the high performance motor
283
with
has the solid lifters
and
the dual quads.
And you looked it up, and it's
The Carters match the block.
That's
so
amazing.
The carburetors have the serial number on them.
Can you open the hood? Can we take a look?
Sure.
It's a beautiful. What color is this?
Turquoise.
Turquoise?
Blue.
That's beautiful.
What year is this?
57.
57. All right. Yeah,
It's
my
got
dad
front
has
disc
one like
brakes.
that.
Got 2-inch sway bars front and rear.
Uh-huh.
But you have seen
And look at that. It's just an amazing car. The chrome is amazing. The paint is beautiful on it. Let's take a look at the interior real quick. Beautiful matching interior. It's got the 4-speed on the floor. All the gauges. It's a beautiful car. The chrome is just like it rolled off the factory floor. Mark, you have a beautiful car.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
So
yeah.
what do you do, video?
I forgot. We got
Right.
mag wheels on there.
No American racing.
Yep.